does that mean?
We done all been there. Don't worry, because after today, you're gonna know how to put an end to body odor for good.
Especially with women like you.
We all know you are what you eat, so I know that you know eating more fruit and drinking more water will help you smell fresh on the outside because you'll be cleansing and healthy on the inside. But something else you can add to your diet is hibiscus tea and rose. Both support skin and digestion. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, and rose is a beautiful fragrance, and it's used on the skin to hydrate the hair. And because it's fragrant, when you bathe in it or drink it, that is what you will smell like, a flower. This right here is the kind that I use. As you can see, it is organic rose petals. I put this in with my hibiscus tea and I cold steep it because I eat a lot of ginger, I eat a lot of garlic, I eat a lot of onion. So I'm like, you know what? Let me start also consuming something that can kind of counteract that. And not only is the rose flower so pretty in your bath and in your drink, they really help you smell better. The next thing that the girlies need to know is yoni steam. Yes, yoni steaming does so much. Yes, it helps with odor control, but outside of that, it improves circulation. It promotes a natural lubrication, reducing the dryness in your intimate area, relieves any discomfort you may be feeling by increasing your blood circulation because of the warmthness, and the herbal blends that you use to yoni steam just overall help the reproductive health. This right here is the one that I use. I love this one because it is collapsible. You just like push the bottom up like this. Fill this part with your herbs and your water. Drain it through these holes right here when you're done. So easy to use. Compact, sensible design. And again, using the yoni steam will help with feminine odor, pH, dryness, discomfort, odor, itching, painful intercourse, vaginal atrophy, fibroids. Like, yoni steaming can help with so much. So if you don't get nothing else from this video, get the yoni steam, girl. Trust me on this one. These right here are the herbs that I use. It actually come with the yoni steamer, and of course you can buy refill packs on your own. This is the blue moon recipe, the sunrise recipe, and the pink magic recipe. You get so many herbs and it smells so good as soon as you open the bag. I love me a herbal smell, girl. I usually don't put too many loose herbs in the bath because they are herbs, so it's not like the rose dried leaves that are flowers that when you put it in water it gets soft and it just like flows down the drain. No, the herbs are a little bit more firm, like sticks and fig. I normally just put it in a tea bag and I steep the tea bag and then I pour that into the tub. And I might sprinkle a few little herbs in, but not a big chunk, not a handful, because cleaning the herbs out the tub can be a pain. So yeah, definitely put them in some type of container. The next hack that you can use to smell good always, all day, is to use a feminine wash. Now this one is the one by Medicine Mama. Using a feminine wash actually like reduces your risk of disrupting your pH and any odors forming because of that. I mean, because we already yoni steaming, so we definitely don't want to be counterproductive. And this one by Medicine Mama I absolutely love because it gets the girl juicy. Okay, no dryness, honey. This adds the lusciousness, the splash, the ooh wee, the wow, baby. I loves me some Medicine Mama. The wash, the balm that you put on the little outside of the little labia, girl. Come on now. You ain't ready yet. Is you ready? This right here is the balm. And like I said, you just use this on the outside only for any type of chafing, dryness, discomfort relief. These products are super moisturizing, super hydrating, super nourishing, so gentle. Like, you don't feel any sting, any twinge, anything irritating at all, ever. And that is so important when we talking about Miss Girl, okay? Because hey, at our age, baby, this is prime real estate, and mama likes to be relaxed. Miss Girl down there, she done been through enough, amen. And at this stage in the game, she just want to relax. And the Medicine Mama keep you clean, keep you fresh. Best feminine wash I have ever used. Keeps the pH balance in check. I absolutely love it. Another hack that all of the girlies know, especially over there on that Clock app, is all about the boric acid tablet. Now, I've showed you and told you about these before, and honey, they still going strong in my feminine hygiene regimen. Taking one of these tablets and you use it as an insert. I actually have a little tool that I use. Just put the tablet in there and then you insert and just wash it off with warm water and soap. And then I actually put it in this case right here because, as you can see, it would drain water and any air can come to it, and then that way, and air can get to it, and then that way it can stay sterile and clean and ready for your next use. A single boric acid tablet, I'm not gonna tell you how often, like, you'll have to find that out for yourself, but for me, I use one maybe once a month to help to keep the pH in check. This will kill any type of bacteria growing. As a perimenopausal woman myself, we are more prone to the pH being off, and not necessarily causing odor because the pH is off, but allowing bacteria to grow, maybe having crazy looking discharge due to the low estrogen. So particularly useful for menopausal women and perimenopausal women. This will help support the microbiome of the natural environment that we have going on. It's just a really good way to give the vajay a reset. So yeah, boric acid to keep everything in check, in balance, and well maintained. The next thing you can do is make sure that your skin is nice and exfoliated. Me personally, I love to dry brush. This is one of my favorite ways to keep my skin exfoliated, soft, and smooth. They also have so many body serums with AHAs and chemical enzymes. Keeping your body exfoliated, I truly believe that is the secret to smelling fresh and good all day. I honestly think that's why, like, the older people have that old people smell, because the skin slows down on that skin renewal process. The old dead skin be stuck sitting on top of the skin and not being cleansed away and washed away and removed. And I feel like it just sits there, and then this kind of like old people smell develops. So I keep some type of body exfoliation going on with me, whether it's the dry brush, whether it's the exfoliation gloves, and I also use a goat milk bar soap. I love this one right here. This is the brand that I use. This keeps the skin so soft and exfoliated and beautiful and milky and smooth and moisturized and repaired. Like, I absolutely love this bar soap, and they come much bigger than the typical bar of soap. You get so many, like I think 6 or 8 or something like that, and it's so worth it because they have so many different scents, all natural, cruelty free, great product to have to keep your skin soft, smooth, and exfoliated. Another thing is the Persimmon body wash. Now this is like the old people soap, okay? And you can use this to exfoliate. It smells really good, so it's fragrant. it deodorizes, it kills bacteria, it's clarifying. Like, it does everything that you need it to do, and it does not cost a lot. I got this one off of Amazon. It's super popular. It has so many reviews. Everyone loves this one, and guess what, so do I like it too. And speaking of the goat milk variety soap, they have one that is a charcoal goat milk, which is detoxifying. That is another secret to smelling good, smelling fresh all day, is to detoxify the actual skin every once in a while. Because I know everybody loves to, you know, promote internal, but also the skin is a living organ as well, and fungus, bacteria, mold, all different types of things can live on the surface of the skin. So definitely detoxifying with charcoal or clay. This Aztec secret Indian healing clay is a really good one that has so many different uses. Again, so multifunctional. You can put this in a bowl with some water and put it on your face. Use it with apple cider vinegar. That will help, like, with the dark spots on your face. You can use it in your hair, and of course underneath your armpits to help detox and clarify and just pull any toxin that's sitting in the pores that soap and stuff can't get. Clay and charcoal magnetizes different types of bacteria, so it's always important to get that going, detoxify, clarify, and pull out anything that could be sitting there lurking, causing bad body odor. Another tip, another trick, using tea tree. This is antibacterial soap, and you can use tea tree soap, you can use tea tree deodorant, again, just to keep anything that's living on the skin eaten away. Of course, we all know that things are microscopic and we can't all see, but that's actually how odor is caused. Like, it's not your sweat, it's bacteria interacting with your sebum, with your sweat, with your body, with the environment, and that is how odor is caused. So keeping an antibacterial soap, I love the tea tree one. It's all natural, it's gentle. This is Castile soap by Dr. Bronner's. So yeah, keeping the body disinfected in the important areas, under the arms, the front, the back, the feet, behind the ear, the back of the neck, the groin, all of those areas. Keeping those areas bacteria free really helps to smell good all day long. And another thing to smell good all day is to keep those same important areas dry. So I like to use a cornstarch dusting powder. This one is fragrant. Actually, I put my little fragrance in here, and I hit underneath the arms and everything, the back of the knees, and different types of places, under the boobs, just to keep everything dry. Because once the sweat starts, like we said, it interacts with any type of bacteria that may be living on the skin, and that's when odor starts. So keeping things dry, that will solve so many problems right there. And of course, girl, if you're gonna smell good, you definitely gonna be wearing some perfume, right? Okay, like the one by Fenty, this might be my signature scent. I love this, girl. It's such a citrusy, laid back. Is that her who just walked past me? What are you wearing? OMG, you smell so good. So of course we use a perfume, and we use a perfume oil. I do love an oil. I do, you know, I hit the oil man up like everybody else. This one though is a cream, and it's so thick and rich. I've had this for so long, and it smells so good. You only need a little bit. I would not dare oil my whole body up with this. This is a perfume oil, but it's in a body butter, body cream type of formula, and I'm telling you, you only need a little bit. This projects so loud. Like when you open this, it smells up your whole room. It's so buttery and it melts into the skin, and it's such a beautiful formula. It comes in this heavy glass. Personally, I love the Fenty body products. I have not had 100%, oh my god, I love that, I need that, I'm gonna forever purchase that type of look, vibe, experience with the makeup. But with the body products, absolutely 100%, that is the vibe, babe. Like, I have not tried a bad body product, and this almost smell like this on any given day. Like, this is a signature scent for me. Like, it's that good. Is that fresh. Us women are so miraculous with what we have the ability to do, bring life into this world. And girl, sometimes with a system that complicated, things can be thrown off really easily, and we have to know how to get back in line really quickly, because we're not about to be having that. Can I get an amen? If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, and it is me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, spilling all of the tea on what's hot, what's not, because it is my job to keep you looking good. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one.